Hey everyone, it's Mama Does Nails and welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope that you are all having a good day and ready for today's video. I'm so excited because guess what? It's birthday time. There have been so many birthdays, right? So we're here today to celebrate Madam Glam's birthday. Yes, guys. And for their birthday, their anniversary, they pulled out all the stops as always. And I'm just so happy to show you what's in the box. So this was exquisitely packed. No damage. Now there was a film on, let's just zoom in a little bit. There was a film on the box, but I took that off, ready for, you know, obviously the video, and plus I needed to swatch and I wanted to put the labels down on the swatch stick. So yeah, guys, we're going to get into this, but before we do that, let's have a look. Now, Madam Glam, this is their 10th anniversary, and this is a limited edition box. Now, just take a moment to have a look at the art. I love that. Love that. You see the Statue of Liberty. That is everything. Just that, look at that gold. This is a whole set, literally. And on the back of the box, we have butterflies and flowers, and reminded of how Madam Glam is vegan, cruelty-free, palm oil-free, and most definitely free from 21 dangerous ingredients. So that's what we mean by 21 free formula. And heme-free. So that little message there is enough to convince anyone. Read what it says at the back. As we celebrate a decade of redefining elegance and beauty, immerse yourself in the enchanting fusion of the iconic New York City skyline and the serene wonders of nature. The serene wonders of nature. Oh my goodness. This exclusive box is a tribute to the very essence of Madam Glam, where sophistication meets innovation. This box holds the secrets of glamorous nails, an entire line of heme-free, vegan, cruelty-free, and 21-free innovative products for all the nail art lovers and professionals to elevate their beauty sustainably. Love it. Indulge in the allure of Madam Glam, where every manicure tells a story of a decade adorned with elegance. Here's to a perfect 10 and many more glamorous years to come. Oh, I love that. Absolutely do. So now, guys, we get into this box. Now, this box is so special. A decade of glamorous nail products. Love that. So, as I was saying, guys, this is such a special box. Now, you have yourself 8 soak-off gels, as you can see, beautiful colors, and I'm seeing Charm Sister colors, but anyway, let's just get into the box. So what I notice here is we have some Madam Glam gold foil, and we have some little not abalone stones, but they're more like not shells, they are more like stones. So I'm gonna get those out now. What? So let's open this up gently because you don't want them to fall out. Okay, so that's what these look like. These little stones, really beautiful, and you can see almost like a shimmer, like a aurora shimmer. It's so beautiful. So they will be perfect for using to, you know, design nails. I think you could definitely encapsulate them So, or you can just use them as an embellishment. Now, this is a gold foil. Now, I have two other foils by Madam Glam, and that was from the Advent calendar. So, I'm so happy I can say I now have three. So, I have a blue, a rose gold, and a gold. So, the gold is what you get in this box, which is absolutely needed because gold foil just adds just that little accent, and we're talking about elegance and sophistication, and why not? So I'm going to get these gels out and we're going to get into the swatching. So I'm going to go from left to right and we're going to go with the very first one on top. And that is called Cake Batter. So you already know it's going to be, lost my swatch stick, my swatch lid. So this is Cake Batter. And let's just give it a little shake. So let's get into, oh, this is definitely cake. This is cake batter, that color. Okay, so if you're looking for that nude, that luscious nude, then this is definitely it. So I'm gonna get this beautiful color on the nail. And I will do 2 coats of this beautiful cake batter. So the next one we're going to get into is Chic Rose. Look at this beautiful rose color. Chic. Look at that. Next color I'm going to swatch is Peach Fuzz. Oh, this is a beautiful color. It's like a very creamy terracotta, I would say. Definitely terracotta. Love that. So now it feels like we are getting into the party, the meat of it, with this beautiful green called Mojito. Now, if this is not making you feel like a mojito cocktail, then I don't know what is. So we're going to swatch this beautiful mojito. Ooh. Oh, I'm in love with this color already. Oh, wow. It's beautiful. Minty Mirage is giving all of the teal vibes. Look at this. Now, I say teal, but oh yes, I'm loving Minty Mirage. Oh, I can't wait to get into this one. Blue Jolie. No, it hasn't got a hyphen, so there's no accent. Blue Jolie, Jolie, OMG. Let me show you. Look at her. Oh, wow. Okay, so let's swatch Blue Jolie. Oh, this is a stunning baby blue. I love this blue. Okay, I actually want to just confess something. I think Madam Glam's favourite colour is purple. Now, the anniversary box is purple. This is purple. And it's called, look, B-Day Bash. Come on. Now, oh, I'll get this open. That's why I think their favourite colour is purple. And, you know, there's nothing wrong with that. Let me show you what B-Day Bash looks like. Oh, yes. So, what do you think Madam Glam's favourite colour is? And can we talk about the opacity of this purple? This is one coat. OMG. Okay. Loving it. I'm squealing inside because look at this color. This is pink frenzy. Let's do that again. Wow. I had to smell it. It doesn't have a scent, but in my brain, this just smells like strawberry. Laffy, no, not Laffy Taffy, because I actually don't think it's that smell. Okay, let's think bath bombs, because a bath bomb that smells like rich marshmallow and candy floss would be this pink. So we've gone from Madam Glam's birthday to me talking about the pink marshmallow, but oh my gosh, that color is just so beautiful. I love the collection. I love how we start with our nudes and then we go into, you know, some nice staple colors and the foil, the little abalone shells. Just perfect, guys. Everything has been beautifully top coated. Look at this stunning collection. This is definitely a glam life. I absolutely love all the colors. I love the nudes, I love the bright colors, and I love, like, you know, your sort of pastel-y colors. I'm absolutely in love with this collection, and I'm going to show you what it looks like in matte. This is the glossy. This is how it looks. This is 2 beautiful coats. Now, that nail I was going to matte and I changed my mind, and instead I actually did the bottom side matte. So let's have a look at the bottom of these nails, because the way the velvet matte mutes everything is just so beautiful. Now look at this one, this mojito, how that looks in matte, and this one, I'm so in love. Thank you all so much for watching. I'm Mama Does Nails, and I'm out. I love you all. Please keep your bells on. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, please. And I already know what I want to do for like a set. So I'm gonna definitely be back and execute that. I may do it live, so keep your bells on, guys. How gorgeous are these colors? I'm so done. So this is the Glam Life. It's available now. There are discount codes on screen, guys. Please share them, save some money. Unless you obviously got VIP subscription, then, you know, you're getting 50% off these beautiful gels. Now, do you want to have a look at that skyline again? Ooh, Statue of Liberty. Yes, this box is beautiful. Bye, guys.